Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we learnt about the artificial magnet and how we have to make a artificial magnets. Okay, that all we learnt in the previous video class. Today in this video class we will study about the next concept of this chapter, that is attraction and repulsion between the magnets. Okay, what is the attraction and repulsion then? The term, what is attraction and what is repulsion? Then how it takes place, how it will takes place between the magnets, that we'll see here. There is a power of attraction and repulsion between the magnets. Then attraction and repulsion are the powers, these all are. Power of attraction. There is a power of attraction and repulsion between the magnets. The similar poles of two magnets repel while opposite poles attract each other. Yes, then when they will attract and when the magnets will get attract and when they are going to repel each other, then we'll see here in the picture. You can see here. See, as the magnets are having a two poles, you know already, it is having a two poles. One is a south pole and one is a north pole. All the magnets are having a two poles, so south pole and north pole. So what they are telling here, the similar poles of two magnets repel. If a similar poles are there, see here, similar is nothing but same. Same poles are there, south, south, north, north. Then the magnets will repel here. They will get apart here. The magnets will repel each other. Like poles repel. Like is nothing but same. Like poles and unlike poles. Like poles are nothing but same poles. See, if south, south if you hold, then they will repel each other. They will not get attract here. North, north is there. They will not get attract. They will repel each other. Nothing, repelling is nothing but like this. They will go apart here. They will go far from each other. If same poles are there, like poles are there, like pole is nothing but same poles. Like this, south, south is there, then they will get apart here. They will not meet each other. Okay. Next, opposite poles attract each other. Opposite poles, north and south pole are there, then they will attract here. Arrow marks they have shown here. They will attract each other. Nothing but they will attach each other here. North and south, south and north. Okay, north and south opposite, one north side and one south side, then it is opposite poles. They will attract each other here. South pole and north pole, again opposite poles, these are given, these will attract here. So unlike poles we call. Like poles is nothing but south, south, north, north. Unlike is nothing but north, south, south, north. These are unlike poles. Unlike poles attract, like poles repel. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept of attraction and repulsion here. The south pole of a magnet will be attracted towards the north pole of another magnet. See, the first concept, what they told, the first point here. The south pole of a magnet, south pole, where it is here, okay. The south pole of a magnet will be attracted towards the north pole of another. See, the south pole of a magnet will be attracted towards the north pole of a magnet. Nothing but the south and north will attract each other. Okay. The north pole of a magnet, here there is a north pole. The north pole of a magnet will be attracted towards the south pole of another magnet. The north pole of a magnet and the south pole of a magnet will attract each other. Okay. Next point you see, the south pole of a magnet will be, south pole here. The south pole of a magnet will be repelled by the south pole of another magnet. See, similar, like poles these are. South pole of a magnet will be repelled. What here? Repelled by repelled is nothing but they will go far here. Okay, the south pole of a magnet will be repelled by the south pole of another magnet. The north pole of a magnet will be repelled by the north pole of another magnet. See, north pole of one magnet will be repelled by the north pole of another magnet. Nothing but these are like poles, so they will not get attract here. Then they will repel each other. The meaning of repelled is nothing but they will go far from each other. So see the direction, how they have shown arrow marks. It is going in this direction. But the unlike poles you see, north and south, they are meeting each other here. Okay, this is about the attraction and repulsion between the magnets. Here they have given the activity. Let us see the activity. Take one magnet in each of your hands. Bring both the magnets close to each other. What do you observe? What you are going to observe? You have to hold. What you have to hold here? You have to take two magnets in your hand. Bring both the magnets close to each other. They will be either attract or repel each other. Sometimes they will attract and sometimes they will repel here. Now change the direction of the poles of one magnets and again bring them close to each other. What do you observe now? The magnets will behave opposite of their earlier behavior. Yes, nothing but when you hold unlike poles, then they will attract. If you hold a like pole, then they will repel here. We can give conclusion of this activity 6 here. Next, activity 7. Take two bar magnets whose poles are marked here. You have to take which magnets here? Which are having a poles here. Yes, bar magnets. On the bar magnets, they will mention their north pole and south pole. Such magnets you have to take. Okay, some sand. Put some sand in a bowl. What you have to do? You have to take some sand. Sand, you know, in a construction they will use. You have to use that sand in a bowl. Keep one bar magnet in a standing position in the sand with its north pole facing upwards. See, dear students, what they are telling, you have to take a sand in one bowl and you have to take a bar magnets in which the poles are marked. Okay, keep one bar magnet in a standing position. You have to keep one bar magnets in a standing position in the sand. Okay, the north should be facing upside. That north part should be facing upside, south should be in the sand here. Now bring the other bar magnet with its south pole facing downwards. What do you observe? The magnets standing in the stand will get pulled up to the stick to the other magnet. Note the impression left in the sand. Now bring the other bar magnet with its north pole facing downwards. The magnets standing in the stand will be pushed back into the sand here. Note the impression left behind the sand. What is the difference between the impression left in the sand in the two cases? Can we say that in the second case the magnets repelled each other? Okay, we had to repeat the process by inverting the magnets standing in a stand to confirm the similar poles of two magnets repel and opposite poles attract. Nothing but here also same thing, that the unlike pole, when you hold unlike pole, that time they will get attract. When you hold a like pole, they will repel here. This is the conclusion of this activity. Okay, I hope you have cleared here. Here are the some of the precautions to be taken while handling a magnets. Whenever you are using a magnets, there should be some precaution. What are those precautions? Then we'll see one by one here. One has to take some precautions while handling a magnets. What we have to do? We have to take some precautions here. It is because magnetic materials lose their magnetic properties if not handled properly. Then what is the question here? Why you have to take a precautions when you are using a magnets? If you are not using it properly, then that magnets will lose their magnetic property. Magnets are having which property? Magnetic property. As you all know, yes or no? Magnets are having a magnetic property. If you are not using that magnets in a proper way, then that magnets will lose their magnetic property here. Okay, always take these precautions while dealing with the magnetic materials. Never heat a magnet, it may lose its magnetism. What you should not do? You should not heat that magnet. Yes, what? You should not heat the magnets. Why you should not heat the magnet? If you heat, it will lose its magnetism. What it will lose? It will lose its magnetism. Keep magnetic materials away from the hot objects. See, you should not keep the magnets in a hot objects. Nothing but with the objects which are very hot or hot, you should not keep near them. You should keep those magnets far from hot objects here. Do not hammer magnets with other objects. What you should not do here? You should not hammer the magnets with other objects. Keep magnets away from the devices which use the magnets like mobile phones, telephone sets, computers and music systems. Keep magnets away from the video cassettes, compact disc, pen drives, etc. See, you should keep magnets away from these CD, pen drive, then video cassette. Why we have to keep away from these devices? Because the data in such things is stored in a magnetic form. As the data in which form it is stored, in a magnetic form it is stored. So you should keep away from the magnets. Do not drop magnets from heights, it may lose magnetism. You should not throw from the upside here, as it will lose its magnetism. Do not rub similar poles of two magnets against each other, they will become weak here. See, same pole, similar pole, north, north, south, south, you should not rub. It's north pole and of one magnet and north pole of another magnet, you should not take and should not rub here. If you rub, then those magnets will become weak here. Always keep magnets in a pair with the opposite poles on the same side. How you have to keep the magnets? Always you have to keep in a opposite poles, north, south, south, north, like this. You should not keep in a north, north, south, south. Okay, these are all the precautions you have to take while you are handling the magnets. I hope you have cleared all the points here. Okay. Here they have given one, do you know? Earth itself is a magnet with its magnetic north pole towards the geographical south pole and its magnetic south pole towards the geographical north pole. See, they are telling that Earth itself is one of the magnets. Even Earth is also having north pole and south pole. Correct? So, they are telling that Earth itself is one of the magnet. Can you say why a freely suspended bar magnet and a compass pointer always comes in a rest in the north-south direction? Think, dear students, and find the answer for this one. Okay, in the page number 160 we are having some of the important definitions. Read those. Okay, till here we completed this chapter. Dear students, in the next very soon I will send the exercise part of this lesson. Only exercise part you write in your fair book. This time you don't write checkpoints. Don't write checkpoints. Only exercise part I will send. Write exercise part in your fair book and study for the exam. Even this chapter also I am going to keep for the exam. Okay, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.